Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
how is the snow condition in Samnaun?
Here are the current ski conditions in ski area Ishkal Samnaun, Silvrata Arena. Snow depth ranges from 50 centimeters in the valley to 120 centimeters at the mountain tops. The most recent snowfall was 3 days ago. 14 out of 41 lifts are running and 74 of the 239 kilometer of slopes are open.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
how's my horoscope today?
Sure, let's see what the stars say now. First, give me a zodiac sign.
The 9th of June.
Here's what's in store for Gemini. Self-assured, you do as you please with very little interference from others, who instead make the situation pleasant by being exceptionally helpful and easy to approach. With your newfound energy, you're able to accomplish anything you want to, but be sure to consider where you want to be in the future when things may not be as easy as they are now.
Thank you.
Hey Mercedes, what are the ski conditions in Samnaun?
In ski area Ishgal Samnaun Silvrata Arena, 40 out of 41 lifts are running and 226 of the 239 kilometers of slopes are open. Snow depth varies from 70 centimeters at the base to 140 centimeters at the mountain tops. The most recent snowfall was the day before yesterday.
Hey Mercedes, what's my horoscope if I was born on February 5th?
Here's what's in store for Aquarius. You are capable and accomplished at whatever task you choose to undertake, working efficiently. You are happy to take on more and help others. You do this in such a way that people are only too pleased to share in your achievements and are unlikely to feel any jealousy or resentment towards you.